In World War II, the US built a secret army, but this army didn't fire bullets. They used paint, sound, and deception. Meet the Ghost Army, a top-secret unit of artists, designers, and sound engineers. Their mission? Fake entire invasions to confuse the Nazis. They rolled out inflatable tanks, set up fake radio signals, blasted sound effects of marching troops through giant speakers. At night, they'd move everything, so it looked like a real army on the move. And it worked. Nazi forces were diverted. Battles were won without a single real shot fired. The Ghost Army stayed classified for 50 years. Art saved lives. History is wild. Follow for more.